Hi friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and today I'm showing you what I got in my monthly wellness box from Young Living. Let's hop right into it. If you have questions about this program where I buy stuff every month and I accumulate points and get free things, I have a whole video explaining everything, and that video is linked in the description box. This is a good haul this month. I'm gonna start with bath gel for baby Norma, toddler Norma. I really like this stuff. I like how gentle it is. It smells good. She loves it. The essential oils in here are tangerine, lemon, kiwi fruit extract. I don't think that's an essential oil, and cucumber fruit extract. So I love it. Citrusy smell your children will love. And a little bit goes a long way. I also picked up some for myself. Full disclosure, I already got into this. I was a little nervous about this and whether I would like it. To be honest, this was not my first choice, nor second, and maybe not even third. I don't know if they still are, but when I did my order, they were out of a lot of bath gel. So what I usually like is the unscented bath gel. I love it. Even though it's unscented, it does have like a really nice clean smell. And then I make Epsom salts infused with my essential oils. So that's how I add my scent to the bath, and I love it. So I wasn't sure if I was going to like this. Let's see. Oh, first of all, it's called Evening Peace. And it says coriander, bergamot, ylang ylang, and geranium. And I don't love ylang ylang or geranium, but I really wanted some bath gel and I went for it, and I really like it. Like a lot. I like it a lot. The smells are pretty muted, which I like. I will definitely be buying this again. On to oils, but first, I've not been able to film this for a couple days. I've had this box sitting here waiting to find the time, and I just found a chipotle chip amongst the oils. Also real quick, I meant to show you my jasmine oil. I got jasmine in a separate order earlier. I actually got it for free in a contest, and I can't find it, which makes me really nervous because it's super expensive. It's around somewhere. It is lovely, very jasmine-y, and I'm excited. I'm gonna make my mom a roller with some jasmine and coconut oil, and I think she's gonna really like that, like as a perfume. Okay. Dill Vitality. I feel like this is really random, but this is one of my most used Vitality oils. So it is the white label. Vitality means that it's labeled for internal consumption. I eat tuna fish about once a week, and this is so good. So I mix the tuna fish and the mayo. Sometimes I substitute whole fat yogurt for mayo, sometimes onion and garlic, and then 1 or 2 drops of the Dill Vitality essential oil. Out of this world. Sometimes I add pickles, but I don't always have pickles. I always have this, and even when I do add pickles, this is a must. And I am out. And guess what's for lunch today after I film this? So happy to have that. What else? Oh, just some basics, 2 more basics. First, let's see, lemon. I was looking at my inventory and I was low on lemon. It's just such a good oil. This, along with the next one, comes in the main premium starter kit. It is so fresh and so clean. I love diffusing this, especially in the morning. It kind of is energizing. It blends well with others. It's great for cleaning. It's great for getting gunk off the walls. Norma drawed on the walls the other day, and I just took some of this on a towel and it came right off. And the Vitality version I put in my soda water daily. It's just, you can't go wrong with lemon. Lastly, another OG, everyone's favorite is lavender. I love Young Living lavender. So I ordered this and the order went through, and then the next day I needed lavender for something. So I got my old bottle and I was like, why did you order a new bottle? You have plenty in this bottle. And that very day, baby Norma somehow got my lavender in her hand and she dumped the entire bottle on the floor of lavender, which is very tragic, but I'm glad I got a new one. I use this, I gotta be honest, I'm not loving right now this diffused all by itself. I used to, and I go through phases. I talk about it all the time where I love oils and I don't, and vice versa. But it's a good blending oil, so I diffuse it often with other oils. I've been diffusing tangerine and lavender this week, and I really like it. Sometimes I put cypress. And I also love this in my laundry. I have wool dryer balls, and my favorite for that is putting a few drops of lavender on them, popping them in the dryer with my clothes, and they come out just smelling great. I especially love doing that with sheets. Just like crisp lavender sheets is amazing. So that is mainly what I'm using lavender for. I use it a lot for skin issues, and yeah, that's my story. So 2 things of bath gel. Bath and shower gel, I use them for bubble baths, and then 3 oils, plus jasmine, which I can't find right now. But that is everything I got this month in January in this program from Young Living. If you have any questions, please leave them below or message me on Instagram at takecaremamayt. I'd love to help answer your essential oil questions or help you if you decide you want to order some oils for your household. It's a great time to join when we're like spring cleaning and getting healthy and getting the toxins out of our households. It's such a great time to join. So with all that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please subscribe and take care. Bye, guys.